Hey guys, welcome to my newest series, Tool Review Tuesday, and today is the first episode I've ever done of this. Today, although it may seem basic, I'm going to be reviewing the Milwaukee drill. And I've got 3 of them here in a row, and I'm going to get to that in a minute. So this is your basic M18 drill. I've had this for about 10 years, and as you can tell, it's got some wear and tear. I've used this from automotive to building fences to building decks, you name it. It has been in many hands. I believe I got this one from a pawn shop, so it's probably seen a lot more before it saw me. And it still works to this day. And what I do notice with this one is it is starting to wear out internally. You can smell the brushes going. This has gone for an easy 10 years. For commercial use, it's not a bad deal. They probably don't even make this style anymore. It is what it is, but I'm going to push this off to the side. Now this is the fuel brushless M18 drill, and this one's had a heck of a lot more use. This one, I know I bought it at a pawn shop. And what I've noticed with these 2 drills is these chucks wear out. And yes, they do have a light on the front. Both of these do. Now this one's light is positioned differently. I will say I don't use them enough at night to know which one's better. I really don't. But these chucks are starting to wear out to where if you put a drill bit in there, it's beginning just to slip a lot. They're not grabbing like they should anymore. If you notice, this one is becoming weak in its battery mount, which will start to cause it to short out, and you'll have to hold the battery or it'll shut off. These both still work. These are my beaters. This one, as you can tell, I've used very little. It's a little bit dirty, whatever. But you hear the difference? Now, these are both the same model right here. Both of them are the fuel brushless. This one is the newer series, but it should be roughly all the same. So, listen to this one. So, they are definitely different in the amount of wear and tear that they've had. This one, once again, has built hundreds of fences. It has been dropped. It has been beat half to death, and you see that's wearing out. And I will tell you, the best way to prevent that is to use these 5 amp hour batteries. And the heavier the battery, like this, it's going to wear that tray out. This one is not as sloppy by any means. This one's still in better shape. And believe it or not, as I said, this is older. It's been used more. But I can guarantee you that it was probably used with those tiny little 1 or 2 amp hour batteries. I know I did for like the first 5 years. This rarely gets used. I've used this as a hammer drill a couple times. All 3 of these have the hammer drill setting, which you can turn to that. So the big difference I do see between these 2 is this one goes to 14 before it goes to the hammer drill setting. This one goes all the way, if I can turn it the right way, to 16. So if you're debating on whether or not to buy a Milwaukee drill, I would certainly suggest it. I've used DeWalt. DeWalt's not too bad. Milwaukee has its strengths on certain tools, and so does DeWalt. And as we go, I'll be showing you guys in future episodes. But yeah, this is a solid drill right here, and I'll post the link for you guys to be able to get this exact one. And yeah, thanks for watching, and get ready for next Tuesday. We'll be reviewing some other cool tools. It's going to get better as it goes. I wanted to start with something simple, and we're going to work our way up from there.